Check this out, guys. For the past couple of days, I've been generating these daily payments of $50. You can see right here to my PayPal account completed, then $50 right here, PayPal completed, over and over again. Now I know $50 per day is not the most amount of money, but I've been generating these payments, as you can see, on a daily basis, and this has been pretty autopilot. I didn't really have to work at all to actually get these payments, and they are all sent directly to your PayPal account in US dollars, and you can see just $50. And in today's video, guys, I want to show you how you can actually generate these $50 per day every single day on complete autopilot using a brand new completely free automation bot that's going to be working for you every single day and generating you money while you sleep, while you shop, while you are in your job, or while you're doing anything you pretty much want to do. You simply set this up, you forget it, and it's going to be making you up to $50 per day. Now I know it's not the most amount of money, but $50 per day, that's around $1,500 per month on complete autopilot, and this is, by the way, completely for free. If you're going to invest some money into this, you can actually make even more money than this, but this is something completely free that I think anybody watching this video can do. And once you're going to see the setup that I will tell you completely for free, you are going to be like, Eric, why you are not charging money for this? This is so genius. You could be actually charging money for this. Well, guys, I want you to be making some very easy money so you can later, I don't know, buy some products, give me some video testimonials, or just generally help you make money. So yeah, that's why I'm giving you this completely for free. Just before we get started, if you like videos about making money online, don't forget to drop a like to this one. I would really appreciate it, and let's try and get to 1,000 likes on this one. That would be really awesome. And also consider subscribing for more free tutorials in the future, where I'm going to be showing you another different ways of making money online without showing your face and being completely incognito. And with that being said, let's get started with the step-by-step tutorial. Okay, yeah, so let's get started. Now, to actually get started to make money just like this on your PayPal account, you'll actually need to have a PayPal account, and you will need to pretty much have a real PayPal account where you are going to be generating these payments. But this is actually a website that I will tell you a little bit later about. Okay, I'm not going to reveal it right now because a lot of people just go there and they are going to just try to do something, and it's not even good for you because you will not make any money if I just tell you about the website right away. But the second website we are going to be using is this one right here, where you are going to get a 3-day free trial, which is completely free. Your limited actions per day, but it's pretty much more than enough to make you money. You can download it for free, and this is actually the free robot we are going to be using to make money, so you don't have to actually work at all. Okay, you can be doing this method manually, you can easily do this manually, but this video is not about you doing this method manually, guys. Okay, I want you to pretty much completely automate this method. So let's get started from the step number one. To switch the camera angle, anyways, let's get started with step number one, guys. Now, step number one, you want to go to cpagrip.com, and you just want to sign up for a free account for your CPA network, and then you just want to go to the offer tools, which are going to be right here, and you want to pick up a CPA offer. Also, guys, by the way, comment down below and tell me if you are interested in joining a brand new exclusive private by invitation only CPA network that I recently used to make over $1,000. Now, this network is available on your phone as an app, and this is something that nobody currently has access to. And when I go to like CPA Grip, by the way, I want to show you the example of this CPA network. It has very similar offers to like CPA Grip, like this one right here. Get rewarded for taking surveys now, but instead of getting paid $2.43 every single time, you are going to get paid $5. Now, please just comment down below brand new CPA network if you are interested in getting completely free exclusive access to this CPA network as a member of Incognito Money YouTube channel. Now, you can see on the screen right now, I made over $1,000 in just 2 days using it, and it's very powerful, and this is something that you can access completely free, and I will also give you more tutorials about it. Anyways, let's move on with this step-by-step tutorial. So first, though, you want to get a CPA offer that we are going to be using. Now, for the CPA offer, what we are really looking for is like a Visa gift card or PayPal gift card or Amazon gift card giveaway, some generic giveaway that's completely free. So for example, this one right here, get a $1,000 PayPal gift card to spend. Click on it, and this is going to be the offer we are going to be using. Now, change the tracking domain right here from Hit Tracking Live to something older, because for some reason, like a couple of these tracking domains don't work. So you always want to make sure that the one that you are going to be using is going to work. So I'm going to go with epctrack.com. Okay, and then this is going to be my affiliate link. Now, also to really maximize our earnings, head over to ClickBank as well. and you want to go to the marketplace section, and I already found an offer, so I don't have to pretty much waste your time on this section, and just search for manifestation. Okay, search for manifestation right here into the search box, and the first offer right here is something we want to be using. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to click on promote, and you want to just grab your affiliate link, which is going to be right here, and you just want to keep this tab open. So now we have pretty much a CPA link right here, we have a ClickBank affiliate link right here, and now we need to go to the step number 3. Step number 3 is this website right here called heylink.me. Just go to the heylink.me, click on start for free right here, and you just want to sign up right here with Google. Click on sign up with Google, and then this is what you're going to see. Now what you want to do is go right here where it's going to say these little change icons, click on it, and you want to click on change username. So we are actually going to change this part. So it's not going to say Erik00, but you just want to change it right here to something different. So it's going to like a giveaway or something related to giving away free stuff. What I put in here is your bonus for today, and then you want to go to the links right here, and we want to add a couple of links right here. Okay, so the first one we want to add is going to be this CPA link. So copy it, go back to the Hey link, you want to paste it right here and click on add a new link, and you're going to see on the right hand section it's going to look like this. But we also don't want to have it the epctrack.com because it looks very spammy. So just click on the pencil icon, and you want to write here free for today, enter for a chance to win a random PayPal gift card, and again hit enter, and we want to make it just like this. Okay, so when people are going to visit it, it's going to look something like this. So free for today, enter for a chance to win the random PayPal gift card, and then you want to add your next link. Now the next link is going to be for ClickBank. Again, copy your affiliate link, paste it right here, click on add a new link, and now for the name of the link, what you want to do is you want to go to the name of the offer. So click on the name of the offer, and you will come to this sales page. Now this sales page actually has 3 different angles we could use. Now the first one is right here, so how ordinary people used manifestation to win the lottery. Just copy this one, again paste it right here as the name of the offer, and you want to hit enter or click somewhere else to save it. And here is the cool part, guys. Again, you want to copy your affiliate link, so promote, create hop link, and you want to copy it, and this is going to be the same exact affiliate link right here. Add it there once again, and then you just want to grab a different headline from the sales page. So secret method to manifest unlimited health, wealth, and love. Copy it, and then you want to add it right here once again. So now we have one CPA offer that is free and is going to be paying us like $2.43, but we also have one affiliate offer that's going to be paying us like $43, but we have 2 different angles for it. So if people actually don't like, for example, how ordinary people use manifestation to win lottery, then they can click right here, but it's going to take them to the same exact affiliate offer. And for one more time, what you want to do is again grab your affiliate link from the affiliate offer one more time. This is the 3rd time we are doing the same exact affiliate offer, by the way, guys. We don't really care about the affiliate offer being different, we just want to make sure people are going to click on it, and we want to copy the headline. So the universe has a funny way of leading you where you need to be. Okay, so this is going to be it, and this is something that works very well because people actually don't see what's behind the link before they actually click on it. They only see the names. Okay, so pretty much all of these 3 are going to be for the same exact affiliate offer, but you can see all of those can be actually seen on this affiliate offer. Okay, so when people are going to click, for example, on all of these, they will land on the same exact affiliate offer, and they are more likely to actually pay attention to it and then end up buying this course, this video course, this affiliate offer, and we are going to get paid from the person that wouldn't actually buy otherwise. And then this is how our simple landing page website is going to look like. So your bonus for today: the universe has a funny way of leading you to where you need to be, secret method to manifest unlimited health, wealth, and love, how ordinary people use manifestation to win the lottery. These are all the same affiliate offer, and then this right here is a CPA offer, which is completely free, which is going to be paying us $2.43. And now, guys, I want to show you this really awesome, completely free automation bot that's going to do something special for you that you are going to tell me that I should be actually charging you for this, but I will give it to you completely for free. Now, this is a completely free automation bot. Now, this is for GrowthBeast.io. This is for Instagram, and it's actually just a free Google Chrome extension and Google Mozilla Firefox extension. It also has like a paid option. So once you make some money, I highly recommend you actually pay for it, because it's only £5, which is like $5, $6 per month, and you can actually make a lot of money by using this free bot with the method that I will show you right now. So just get the free bot, click on download, and then when you go to the Instagram, it's going to look something like this. Right here, it's going to have this extension, and you can actually use it right there. Now then what you want to do is, because our website is pretty much in manifestation niche, and there is a reason why it is for manifestation niche, you just want to go to Instagram and you just want to search for manifestation and find a page that looks something like this. So for example, manifestation positive, which has 148,000 followers. Now you can see right here, there's a lot of these videos that say in 12 minutes you'll get a good news after hearing this sound. Use it, save it, don't risk the skip. Type yes to affirm. So there are a lot of these different messages where there are videos or messages of pretty much this page telling people that in just a few minutes they are going to receive a good news. And there's a lot of people actually engaging with these posts. So what we can simply do is, because all of these people that are liking the post, that are commenting, they are expecting a good thing to happen to them, we can send them to our landing page that's about a manifestation product. So they are in manifestation niche, they are interested in manifestation, they are waiting a news, so we can actually send them this CPA or affiliate offer. Now all you really need to do is just go to the page right here, manifestation positive, click on the Growth Beast IO right here, and it's going to open up this tool. Now one way to actually use this tool is to just put this link, which is right here, this link in your bio, and you are going to be just following right here, you are going to be just following the people that are liking the post. So you want to select user likes, so it's only going to be following the people that are actually, hold on, let me just exit, that are actually liking these images. And you can see, don't ignore this sign, you will get a good news in the next 5 minutes. Type yes to affirm, and there's a lot of people that are just liking. So if they like, they are expecting the good news, so we can actually send them the good news through our like. Okay, so they are expecting that. But also there's another cool way of doing this, just by using this comment automation. You go to the comment section right here, and this is going to automatically comment on the profile that's going to like the post, and all you really need to do is just click on add comments right here, click on shortcodes and comments configuration, and you just need to add a comment that this bot is going to be doing. So let's go with the comment title, for example, comment number 1, because you can add multiple comments, and then the comment is going to be, here are your awesome news, check out the link in my bio, let me know what you think, and you click on save. And now this bot, once you're going to configure it, click on save once again. Okay, setting is applied. So now go back to the page, and you just want to set up the comment section, the comment automation of this bot to be commenting on profiles of the people that are liking and commenting these posts. Now the bot is going to go through these posts, check out the people that are liking them, check out the people that are commenting them, and he's going to comment like, here are your good news, because the post is about good news. That's why this method is very clever, and it's going to get you very high conversion rate, because it's so specific. Like, these people are literally commenting to get good news be delivered to their profile, and you are going to deliver it. Now if you don't want to be using the bot, you can do this completely manually just by following these people and sending them a message, but the bot does it completely free automatically for you. So this is why you can actually make $50 every single day on Autopilot just by setting this app and completely forgetting about it. Guys, and that's it for this video. Let me know please what you think about this method. Also, let me know if you'd like to get the website that's going to be paying you $5 for the CPA offers. I made over $1,000 on it already. Check out the proof on the screen. Just comment down below, like the video, and in the next one I'm going to be sharing all the information about it. It's completely free. I will give you my invitation code so you can actually join without any troubles and without any approval process that's going to take you a long time. You can join completely free and start promoting these exclusive affiliate offers for $5 payouts and get paid over and over again. And I'm also going to be creating even more tutorials for them. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye for now.